Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the clipboard error in Excel. So there was a problem with the clipboard while you are trying to copy content from the spreadsheet. So for that, let's go quick into the process. First method is we can try to close any instances of Microsoft Excel. So before we can close that, you need to make sure that all your spreadsheets are saved in the Microsoft Excel. And after you have saved everything, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Manager. Task Manager under the best match. Go ahead and click on that. Now maximize the Task Manager window. Then here, simply search for Excel. Now you'll find Microsoft Excel with its instances, or you can find this is applicable for also your applications where you want to completely close from your windows. You can simply make a right click and then select End Task. And after that, you have just closed any processes or any instances of Microsoft Excel. And you just have to open the Microsoft spreadsheet again or the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet again and try to see if the problem has been fixed. For the next method is we can try to simply restart Microsoft Excel. So let me open Microsoft Excel first. And then while you are on your spreadsheet and you encounter the clipboard error, I can suggest or try to simply restart Excel by closing the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, this one, by clicking on this close button at the top right corner. And after you have closed the Microsoft Excel, just try to open it again. And by that, you have just restarted Microsoft Excel and try to see if restarting fixes your issue. And for the next method is we can also use the open and repair tool. So let me bring up my Excel first and my spreadsheet. Now here you have to click on this file tab right here at the top left corner. Then here you'll find this open option. Here you have to click on this browse option. And here you need to look for your spreadsheet or your Microsoft Excel document or your worksheet. Click on this drop down arrow right here next to open. And here you'll find this option open and repair. Click on that. And this, you will find this window which will ask you to repair. So you just have to simply click on this repair button. And for the next method is you can also disable some add-ins or the Excel add-ins on your Windows or in your Microsoft Excel, because this can be one of the reason why you are facing the issue. So click on this file tab right here. Scroll down and you'll find the more options on the left pane. Click on options. Then here in the list of Excel options, you'll find add-ins. You'll find this one, manage. Click on this drop down arrow and choose Excel add-ins. Click on go. And if these boxes right here are checked, then you need to uncheck that to disable any add-ins or Excel add-ins. Once done, click on OK. And then just try to see if that fixes the issue. And for the next method is we can also clear the clipboard history of our window. So for that, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type, or you can just simply use the shortcut, which is Windows key and V key together. And here you'll find this option, clear all. Click on that. And then just try to open your Microsoft spreadsheet and try to see if the problem has been fixed. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.